If you've been waiting for a home with real character, space to grow, and room to dream, this might just be the one. Today, we're in the charming town of Bristol, New Hampshire, a friendly community that perfectly balances small-town warmth with easy access to Route 93 and all the beauty of the Lakes region. Now, this home has been loved over the years, and you can feel it the moment you walk in. The rooms are large and filled with natural light, offering that classic New England feel. Detailed woodwork, wide trim, and a beautiful staircase that speaks to the home's history. The main level has plenty of space to spread out, a bright kitchen, laundry room, and even potential for a first-floor bedroom if you'd like single-level living. There's also a heated sunroom, the perfect spot to enjoy morning coffee or unwind in the afternoon. Upstairs, you'll find more spacious bedrooms with that timeless charm, tall windows, wood details, and so much potential to make each room your own. Outside, the backyard really stands out. It's private, open, and dotted with old grapevines. There's plenty of room to garden, entertain, or just enjoy some quiet time outdoors. And here's something exciting. With the new ADU bill that passed in July 2025, you may have the option to add an accessory dwelling unit out back. That means guest space, rental income, or a studio. Buyer to confirm, of course, but the opportunity is there. This property sits on just over an acre and offers public water and sewer, vinyl siding for easy maintenance, and newer metal roofs on smaller sections. Homes like this, full of charm, history, and possibility, don't come to market often here in Bristol. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a DIY dreamer, or someone looking for a solid home to grow into, this one could be it.